Why is the Bible the best-selling book of all time? Man has sought his life purpose and the solution to his problems through psychology, but it is not the solution to our hardships that have a spiritual root. Psychology is a science that deals with the complexities of human character and behavior. The Bible is the best-selling liar because it deals with spiritual problems and also offers spiritual solutions. The practice of religion denotes a commitment and service to God, perhaps, in a broad sense, could be seen as focusing on human character and spiritual behavior. Before psychology was elevated to a science, the study of the psyche was considered something equivalent to hocus pocus. However, today psychology neglects the pursuit of the spiritual realm as a means of identifying the causes of human behavior or finding solutions to the resulting disorders. It seems that most psychologists deny the existence and influence of the spiritual realm as a way to discover the causes of diseases and behavioral deviations, or as a means to explain evil, fear of death, etc. Rejecting this possibility, the sciences have defined probable answers and confined them to physical intangibles, such as biochemical imbalances and conditioning received as children, relying mainly on pragmatic approaches. Because these theories exclude the belief that man is made in the image of God and must function as a divine being, they are rather unbalanced and do not tell the whole story. And most psychologists seek answers exclusively in the physical and psychic realm, but their findings and conclusions are only partial at best, as we are also spiritual beings, influenced for better or worse spiritually. Alongside research in the physical realm, there is a need for investigation of the spiritual realm that specifically reveals the workings of the spirit and the relationship of man's body and spirit to both the physical and spiritual worlds. For scientists and people in general, exploring the unseen world instills fear and dread, despite the fact that Jesus and the Bible have abundantly explained about this reality and how much it affects people's lives to the point of, unfortunately, in evil, coming to possess them. Many people are uncertain and even afraid of what they might discover. The mass media have done a convincing job of portraying through vivid images what might happen to those who venture into the spiritual realm. And the impressions conveyed by such works as Amityville Horror or The Exorcist certainly tend to stick in the mind. In any case, using psychology alone can mitigate or control, even through drugs, spiritual problems in a person, but it does not solve them permanently, just as an analgesic hides the pain of a cavity, but does not heal it.